Okay guys, we're over here at Brenda's house. We're going to do a replacement of this 2-ton air handler. Refrigerant lines will stay the same. Our water heater sits underneath the unit. The water heater is actually sitting on top of the drain. So for the last couple years, she's had to empty this bucket whenever it gets full of condensate. So we have two options. We can either uninstall the water heater, move it over, and then check the drain to make sure it's clear. She thinks the drain may be clogged because the water heater has overflowed into the neighbor's ceiling once or twice before. But our second option is to install a condensate pump on the side of the unit, not have to mess with the water heater, and then cut a hole through the wall here in the back, which backs up to the washer and dryer here on this side. So we'll cut a hole through there, and then in the back of the washer and dryer, right there, is a drain line for the washer, so we could dump our condensate into that, as long as all of that stuff works. And then we'll put a safety pan underneath our new unit and a wet switch underneath the unit as well, so we'll just mount that stuff to the wall. That should be everything for the unit itself. Now our breaker panel is right here. It's a stab lock breaker panel, so we won't be able to touch that, but we will do a disconnect outside if we need to. All right guys, here's my rooftop unit. So we'll pull this thing up, set our new unit in place. We're going to reuse the existing refrigerant lines, set everything on top of some new 4x4 posts, new disconnect box. That electrical whip will obviously stay. We'll do a new electrical whip with the new disconnect box into the bottom of the unit. So that should be everything. Here's a street. We're gonna have to park a crane here and lift our unit up onto the roof on this side here. And then we're on the very, very back of that roof is where our outdoor unit is.